In winter, the solar term major snow, or Daxue, is not to be missed. Pure and quiet. It arrives as promised, bestowing winter the form it deserves. Heaven and earth, we wonder, who adorns whom? The story of major snow is accumulation. All things lie dormant, gathering strength within, which is the essence of life. Its arrival means winter is no longer just harsh, bleak, and desolate. Heaven and earth are draped in the purest of colors, stripping away the false and revealing only the true. Another story of major snow is blank space. Its mission might be to bring a moment of stillness to the complex and chaotic world. The story of major snow is also beauty, which is nature's precious gift for enduring winter and welcoming spring. In stillness, wisdom arises. To keep focusing inward and cultivating mental fortitude is the lesson which major snow teaches us about life. There must be a time each year to clear the mind, let go of distractions, and to face the earth with simplicity and purity. Stillness and movement, life and death exist under the vast heavens. Without enduring wind and snow, how could there be such vastness? Major snow thus stands unique in this world.